Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kai checking in with another video. Today on the channel we got my guy. Y'all see what it is. We got my guy Young Mooch, man. We got him back on the channel. This time Brody is sneezing on strangers. I said Brody is sneezing on strangers. Just looking at this right here, we know this shit about to go left. Let's just get into it.
Bro, get your on somewhere.
What you do? Hey.
Hey, y'all, yo. Yeah, you guys are crazy. Big dude is about to body slam the shit out his ass. Like, look at this. He about to body slam this nigga. Like,
Watch out. Hey, watch out.
What the
Huh?
Did you just sneeze on me?
hey, this nigga's different. Not even just
What's
him.
good,
All y'all,
YouTube?
hey, all y'all that do like these public experiments, bro. Y'all niggas is.
YouTube, it's your boy. Oh my God, it's Young Mooch, man. Look, man, today's video, as I could tell by the title, you know, I got some sprays with me, you know, and I'm gonna be pretending like I'm sneezing on random strangers. Now, I don't know how they gonna react. I know they're gonna be mad though, cause nobody like getting sneezed on. And we're gonna get these people reaction, man. Make sure y'all like, comment if you're new to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, man. Let's go sneeze on people. See two guys sitting down. I'm about to go prank. I'm about to sneeze on.
Oh shit.
I'm about to sneeze on one of them. See how this go, y'all. Oh my God.
Fuck, they look like they playing dominoes or something. Oh man.
Man, what the fuck? What's wrong with you, bro? You good? You sneeze on me, bro?
Yeah. I can't
You
sneeze
ain't gonna
on
say
you?
excuse me?
What you mean?
You ain't gonna say excuse me?
I just like sneezing, bro.
Fuck you like sneezing for, man? You know you. Yeah, this nigga ain't just sneeze on
What
me.
you mean? No, I know where I'm
Bruh.
at.
I will put my foot up your ass so far you be burping shoot by dude. Get your.
Hey, watch out! Hey, watch out! You good?
They about to slide this nigga across this table, bruh. Leave these motherfuckers alone, bruh.
You good? Y'all good. Watch out! Yo, slide! Yo, it's a video. It's a video. And we recording. It's a video. We filming. Alright, you good? Yo, slide, bro. Watch out! Alright, you good? Watch out! You good, bro? Hey, look, yo. Come on, let go. Y'all tripping. Let's slide.
What?
Not the double. They gave it a double jokes. Then look at Shorty like. What are those? She gave it up the. Bruh. You know you don't touch no black girl head, bruh.
Hey, look, yo. Come on, let go. Y'all tripping. Let's slide.
What the fuck?
Huh?
Why the fuck you do that shit? Did you just sneeze on me?
I'm a little, like, sick.
I don't give a fuck. Why the fuck did you do that shit? That shit nasty as fuck.
I'm sick.
Bro, get your ass on somewhere. The fuck?
What you doing?
Mo! Hey, Mo! Bruh! Cover this nigga in a whole milkshake, bruh?
Why the fuck you do that shit? That shit weird as fuck.
I'm sick.
I don't give a fuck.
Oh, you tripping.
The fuck?
Oh, you tripping.
Weird ass shit, bro.
I was a little sick.
I don't give a fuck. That's some weird ass shit.
I can't control
Fuck
it.
no. Fuck.
Oh
Go
my
sneeze on somebody
God.
else.
You're tripping.
The fuck?
I ain't gonna lie. It was a spray. I was filming you. It was a YouTube video.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
Nah, you good. We was recording you the whole time.
Damn.
You was on camera. Oh my God.
Damn, I'm sorry for that.
I understand. You okay? It's okay. I get a hug from you, like a little side
Yeah.
hug? Yeah, it's okay. Y'all, I see this guy shopping. I'm about to get him. Mad.
Bro, you know white people. Oh, white nigga might give him one of these. Hey.
Damn, man.
White nigga about to. Hey, white nigga about to give it. Hey, white nigga about to get his ass. Get over here. Wah. Throw his ass, put some yogurts over there. Toss his ass to all the motherfucking yogurts, man. Top of the eggs. His eggs right there. Boom. The fuck? Yo.
What's up?
What you mean?
What's all that about, man?
What you mean, bro?
What are you doing, man?
To me, what I'm doing?
Come on, man. Sneezing on me like that. Did your mama teach you lessons?
I can't sneeze on you?
No, man. It's COVID and shit. What's wrong with you, man?
Why are you getting in my space,
Because,
though?
man, you're doing this shit to me, man. What's wrong with you, man?
It's a little sneeze.
Yeah,
Relax.
whatever, dude.
It's just a sneeze.
Well, I don't give a shit.
It's
Whatever.
a sneeze. You could go
I
shopping.
don't care.
Okay,
you go shopping.
I am.
Get the hell out of my fucking face, man.
What you said?
You heard?
What you said, bro?
You heard what I said.
Okay, you can keep shopping. I'm
No,
good.
whatever, dude. You need to
Yeah,
back the
you
fuck up.
can keep shopping. You can keep shopping.
Hey, white nigga go crazy. White nigga about to push his nigga to the fridge.
You good? All right. Are you good, bro?
No,
Stop touching me. Okay.
No, we're not good.
All right.
We're not
Okay.
good, man.
Okay.
Hey,
You
man, I'm
good?
making it through 2 months of Iraq. I can take care of your ass.
All right. You can stop touching me. I'm not touching you, bro.
Whatever, man.
I'm not
Don't
touching
do that again, man.
you. Okay, I'm not touching you.
Nasty.
Okay, you good though?
No more. Get the hell out of here, man.
What?
Go somewhere else. Bye. See ya.
Okay, you don't have to touch me though.
Whatever. I can't
All
touch
right,
you.
stop touching me, bro. You
Really?
good? You
Really?
good? Yeah, stop touching me.
Yeah, I'm an old man, but
Okay.
that don't mean shit.
Okay, stop touching me. I don't want to hurt you, bro.
Whatever. You ain't gonna hurt nothing, man.
All right, stop touching me.
Whatever.
All right, you good, bro.
No, that's it. That's it.
All right.
Bro, leave this nigga alone, man. Hey, leave this nigga alone. He about to whoop the brakes off of you, bro. Leave this nigga alone, bro. And he a war vet too. He might be old, hey, but them motherfucking paws work. He got some special one of these. The nigga beat the brakes off of you. Leave that nigga alone.
All right, you good? It's recording you. We're recording. You on camera, man. You on camera, bro. You on camera. We're recording you. It was in the sneeze. You were on camera.
If your business kept on employees
Hey,
through the
motherfucking thick mustache with this jump right here shaved. Man, get your ass out of here.
pandemic, Innovation Refunds can see if it may qualify for a payroll.
People sitting down. I'm about to go get them right now. No, anybody. I think I see 2 girls. We're going to see how this goes.
Oh, shit. 2 baddies, too.
What the fuck?
Huh?
What the fuck? Did you just sneeze on me?
I'm a little sick.
You're sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fucking sick.
Huh?
You realize you sneezed on her?
Yeah, I did.
What the fuck? You're literally fucking disgusting. Yeah, no, you're nasty as fuck. Like, exactly.
I'm a little sick.
Nah, bro, that shit's weird as fuck. You could have sneezed anywhere
But my sneezes.
Nah,
my
get the fuck. Yeah, no, for
My-
real,
my
get the fuck.
sneeze- my
Nah,
sneeze is
get the
clean,
fuck.
though.
Nah, your sneeze is clean?
Yeah, that shit.
That shit's stupid as fuck, bro.
What you
Yeah,
mean?
no, that shit, bro.
I can't sneeze
That
on you?
piss me off. You can't sneeze on me. You just fuck. That's just nasty as fuck.
Okay, you don't gotta yell at me though.
Bro, no, that shit's nasty. Exactly. So if I sneeze on you, it's gonna be cool.
Yeah, you look good, so I take your sneeze.
You. This nigga is weird. You're weird as fuck, bro.
What you mean?
No,
it was a little
that.
sneeze.
No, that shit's so fucking weird.
Okay, you could calm down.
Nah, no, calm down. You just fucking sneeze on me.
Ain't gonna lie, we filming you. It's a video. Yeah. It's a video.
Bro, that shit.
It's a video the whole time.
That shit.
I apologize.
Hey, females, y'all, I ain't even just peeping her. Y'all love water for some reason. Like, y'all love water. I'm not water. I got water too. Y'all love water. Like,
Nah,
That
it
shit,
was a
no.
joke.
see it.
It was
Hey.
a little joke.
No,
Look,
bro.
nah, it was a joke. It was a video, I promise.
I like her, What my man what's his name? Soluminati, what my man Soluminati used to say? Grab my knees, grab my legs. Hey, nah, she just like that. I like her.
I would.
What my man say? She want me. Nah, she like that. Her right here, blonde, she cool too, but I like her. I
wouldn't sneeze on you.
You wouldn't sneeze.
I'm sorry, I apologize. I get a hug.
No.
No hug?
No.
I see somebody shopping. Think it's a couple. I'm gonna go mess with this couple, y'all.
Oh shit. Couples don't never work out good, bro.
Man, what the fuck, bro? Man, you just-
Oh my god, he gonna whoop the dog shit out this nigga, bruh. This nigga like he just came back from prison. Oh man, he gonna whoop the shit out this nigga.
Sneeze on me, bro?
I can't. I like to sneeze.
Nah, bro, you just sneeze on me,
Are
bro?
you good, bro?
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. What you mean? Don't touch you? Don't sneeze on me.
Hey, bro, don't touch me, bro. I said, watch out. You good, bro? Why is you touching me, bro?
Cause you sneezed on me, nigga. What the fuck?
What you mean I sneezed on you, bro? I sprayed. I didn't sneeze on you, bro. You good? It's a video. We was recording you, bro. Huh?
Lady, what the fuck is you doing? Like it's like one of these motherfuckers won't knock your ass the fuck out. Get your ass out of here. Y'all females be, oh man, I'm at my job, bro. Like one of these motherfucking haymakers will knock your ass smooth out. Punches don't got no motherfucking names. Not to say be hitting females, but I'm saying if a nigga rumbling, if them niggas start just get your ass out of here. Who is you? Like, bruh, get your ass out of here.
I'm gonna need all of y'all to leave my store now. Like
I
everybody.
ain't sneeze on you, bro. You good?
Nah, bro, you fucking sneezed on me, bro.
Nah, bro. You good? You good, fam? What's up, bro? You good? You good? You good, bro? You good, bro? Tripping.
Hey, y'all too. I'm gonna need y'all to stop recording.
See a girl walking.
Oh shit.
Might get it.
Oh shit. Oh, look at him, bro. He's smiling and shit.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose a little stuffy.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why the fuck is you so damn close to me?
I just like sneezing on
Nah,
pretty
fuck,
strangers.
That shit weird as fuck. I'm not gonna lie to you. That shit's weird as fuck.
I can't
This
sneeze.
nigga just fucking sneezed on me or whatever the fuck he did.
I can't
Fuck,
sneeze.
wet mouth ass. The fuck?
I can't.
Hey, she going on this nigga, bro. I love females like that that just.
No. Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Fuck, you about to take off? Hey, Mo, she was about to take off, man.
My nose stuffy.
Fuck, nigga.
I can't sneeze.
What the fuck do you want?
I can't sneeze.
Fuck no. Not on me. What the fuck?
Yo, hold on. Wait, I'm doing a video. Look, I didn't sneeze on you. Look, right there all the way down, he recording you. He recorded you. Yeah, I didn't sneeze on you, I promise. It's a little spray. Yeah, it was a joke, I promise.
For
you.
sure.
I promise it was a little
Okay,
joke.
for sure. That's cool.
Yeah, I ain't mean to.
Weird though.
Nah, I apologize. Look, you actually look good. Like, that's why I told you it's a video.
Okay.
I get your number. I'm not gonna sneeze on you. I can get your number though.
Yeah.
Why you was backing up?
Cause that shit was weird. Like, what the fuck? Who the fuck does that?
It was a little joke. I apologize.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I apologize though. What's your name?
India.
India.
Mm.
Yeah, you look pretty.
Thank you.
Like, for sure, I get a little hug from you.
Sure.
I ain't sick or nothing. Like, I'm a clean dude.
For sure. For sure.
It was nice meeting you. I'm
Nice
Malik,
meeting
by
you
the way.
too. I'm
For
okay.
sure.
Hey, Malik.
You still look a little like weirded out.
Nigga, because the situation was weird to me. Like,
For sure. I get one more hug though.
no.
I've been waiting here. It's hot, tired. It's so hot, y'all. Might spray some on me. So hot. I've been seeing some people, y'all. I don't know. I've been hot.
Man, not this coach nigga. This nigga gonna do this old ass coach nigga, man. And like he just coming out of work, bro. Leave this nigga alone, bro.
Yo, what's going on, man?
I'm a little sick. I like to sneeze sometimes.
So you're gonna sneeze on my neck?
I'm a little sick.
You gotta hold that in, man. Cover your mouth or something.
I'm a little sick.
I don't care if you're sick. Hey, you can get in there if you're sick. Don't be out here sneezing on people.
I like to do that.
Nah, I already had COVID. I don't need COVID again, man. You gotta get away from me. Hey, get the hell out of here. I'm not messing with you.
I can't sneeze on you.
No,
one time?
man.
Let me sneeze on you. Let me sneeze on you one time.
Hell no, I'm out of here.
What you mean? I can't sneeze. I can't.
Hey, what'd I tell you?
What you mean?
I'm not messing with you.
Relax. I'm a little sick, bro.
No, I don't care if you're sick.
What you doing?
You can go to the nurse's office if you're sick. Don't be sneezing on people.
Okay, I'm a little sick. That's all. Bro.
I don't care if you're sick.
Dude, I'm a little.
Dude,
Hey, hey.
get out of here.
We recording.
Get outta here.
It's a video.
I don't want to be on no video. I don't got time
It's
for
a prank.
videos.
Look. I didn't sneeze
I
on
don't
you.
care about no pranks. I don't want to be on your TikTok.
It's a video. I didn't sneeze on you. It was a spray.
No, get the hell out of here.
You good?
No, man.
You sure? I didn't sneeze. Yeah, you mad, bro. What the hell?
That was a good little video right there, man. I'm see y'all niggas in my next video. Peace.